this is a little fountain. I've got it up and running. It's attached to the outside of my pool and hanging over. I love the way it sounds. I do have another type of fountain in there, but this one makes a lot more noise and it doesn't move around, so it doesn't shoot the water on the outside of the pool. I really like that. I attached it by putting a valve on the bottom, and that way I can turn it on and off as I want to and adjust the amount of water I have coming out of it. I can show you that right here by tightening it down, and there it goes, a little bit less and a little bit less, and there's off, and now it's on and off, and again on, and there it is. And I put one on the other side too in case too much water is coming out of there, so that this one gets its fair amount of water. Really love the look of this and the sound of it. It's an awesome addition to my pool.
It's beautiful.